Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off notifications for specific apps on the Redmi A5. Now, to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on notifications. Now, just tap on app notifications. Now from here you can enable the notifications from specific apps which you want to get notifications from, just like that. And also you can disable notifications from specific apps from here, just like that. And this is how you can turn on and off notifications for specific apps on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.